Hello, I'm Peter Baker from VoiceOver Masterclass, and if you're just starting out making videos for YouTube or other platforms, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 10 essential tips to help you create engaging and professional-looking videos that'll stand out. Whether you're feeling unsure about your on-camera presence or simply need technical guidance, these tips will set you up for success. I've also created a detailed video series called Confidence on Camera, which dives deep into building on-camera confidence. And there's a link around this video if you want to explore it further. But for now, look, let's get into these 10 golden tips. 1. Nail your voice first. Your voice is your most powerful tool when presenting on camera. Forget about anything video-wise to begin with. Your voice needs to sound friendly, clear, and authoritative to captivate your audience. And you need to practice vocal exercises to improve clarity and resonance. And even though I have an urge of voice, all our voices need extra clarity and resonance. Everyone can benefit from it, and everyone can benefit from doing good warm-up exercises before you do any public speaking or any video presentation. You can find excellent resources at voiceovermasterclass.com. Now, a confident and listenable voice instantly boosts your credibility. 2, now we can talk about video. Declutter your background. A messy or distracting background can pull focus away from your message. If your space doesn't look great on camera, consider using a green screen. Trust me, I'm not actually sitting in a stylish living room. Exactly. See, I'm on green screen because basically the acoustics in my living room are not that good. So I'm here in a different room, completely better acoustics here, do it on green screen, key in the background later. It gives you more flexibility as well. Now, green screens are not only easy to use, but also help control lighting and acoustics for a cleaner setup. And we've got a whole course on green screen, by the way. 3, invest in a lapel microphone like this little thing here. Audio quality is absolutely critical. Do not rely on your camera or your phone's built-in microphone because the camera's over there. It's too far away and it's going to produce thin, echoey sound. Instead, get an affordable clip-on microphone for better clarity without the distraction of those awful bulky mics in the frame. They used to be in fashion once to have a big microphone here, like on the old American talk shows. You know, the microphone that's not actually plugged in, of course. But it needs to be there, doesn't it? But don't. People want to see your face, right? Just forget about that. Use the little microphone. A small investment makes a big difference. 4, light yourself properly. Lighting can make or break your video's quality. Most rooms, if you look at it in an office particularly, are lit from above, aren't they? Awful. Casting all sorts of unflattering shadows on your face. So you need to have at least 2 LED video lights on stands, illuminate yourself evenly. And great lighting not only improves your video's professional appearance, but it also enhances the overall watching experience. 5, shoot in the highest resolution you can, the highest resolution on your camera, ideally 4K. This gives you the flexibility during editing to crop and then zoom in. You can adjust your footage without losing quality. For example, you can create horizontal videos for YouTube and then vertical clips for TikTok, just zooming in using the same footage. So the highest resolution makes all the difference. 6, use a teleprompter for confidence. If you struggle to remember your lines, you're not good at ad-libbing, then you can buy a home teleprompter, loads of them on Amazon, whatever, lets you read your script while maintaining eye contact with the camera. Now, these devices use a reflective screen at 45 degrees, makes it appear as though you're looking directly at the lens, when in fact you're reading the words that's been reflected. It's very clever. If a teleprompter isn't in your budget, you could try printing out cue cards, or bits of paper basically, in a large font, asking a friend to hold them next to the camera lens. But of course, you won't be looking at the camera then, you'll be looking at a bit of paper. But then you can use tools like Veed, veed.io, veed.io. Other tools are available to adjust your eye line during editing, using AI technology, of course. 7, plan and rehearse your content. Before hitting that red button, structure your videos. Start with a clear menu or introduction. Include engaging main points as you go along. Get the structure right. End with a strong call to action. What do you want your viewers to do? Rehearse until you feel confident. You'll save time and reduce mistakes when filming. Absolutely. 8, Enhance during editing. Editing is where the actual magic happens. Improve exposure. You can add relevant B-roll footage or stock shots, that sort of stuff. You can edit your audio. You can improve the audio, maybe using tools like Deverberate by Acorn Digital, my favorite digital tool. It gets rid of echoes and reverberation. It's astonishing. Keep it snappy. Ditch any long intros or overused title sequences that frustrate viewers. I hate those title sequences, don't you? So don't do them for other people. Just start straight with the content. Get into the meat of the things. Do not have title sequences on these videos. And 9, thumbnails, so important. Eye-catching thumbnail, of course. Don't make it clickbait. Just make it really what you are going to offer. It has got to be attractive. It's got to be attractive. It's the first thing viewers see. So make it count. Use tools like Canva to design professional attention-grabbing thumbnails. And you can customize templates to match your style and content dead easily. And 10, optimize your video with vidIQ. It's the best in the market, solid gold. You can maximize your video's reach with SEO using vidIQ for insights on titles, tags, content strategies. It can even write scripts that you can adapt afterwards. This tool is an absolute game changer for SEO, helping your videos rank higher and attract quality views. So I hope you found that good. Good luck and keep learning. I hope those tips inspire you to create amazing videos with confidence. And if you're interested in learning more about green screen techniques I mentioned earlier, well, I do have a detailed video series. I call it the Green Screen Challenge, where I challenge myself to set up a green screen that actually works somewhere in the tiniest room in my house. Not in the bathroom, but it was just as small, to be honest. Anyway, the link's around this video if you're interested in learning how to do green screen videos at home. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. More tips and tutorials are on their way. But for now, goodbye.